Hello Transurfers and the Transurfing Curious. I am Renee Garcia and this is TransurfingTV, the only YouTube channel officially endorsed by Vadim Zeland himself, the author and creator of Reality Transurfing. So day 4 of our 78 days of practical transurfing. If you have missed the 3 prior days, go back and take a look and jump right in. We will be going over these on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So today, the birth of a star. I love this lesson. And the reason that I love this lesson is because Vadim Zeland really iterates here the value of detaching from the formation, detaching from the herd, going in your own direction. So this is really the root of why I have had some success in my life. One of my things that I teach in my Mo Money course is look for the things that no one else is doing yet. Oftentimes, if we try to do something in life, if we want to be successful, we look to others to see what they're doing. But my key has been look at what others are not doing and start doing that thing. And sure enough, it's worked for me. So I understand very much why Vadim is stating the value of separating from the formation, separating from the pack, going your own direction. So I will get right into it. I will give the statement, Vadim Zeland's interpretation, of course, and then I'll kick in a little bit of my 2 cents. So this is day 4, the birth of a star. To achieve real success, you have to stop following generally accepted standards and start walking your own way. The one who comes out of the common formation creates a new success benchmark. Pendulums do not tolerate individuality. They see a rising star and make it their favorite. When establishing a new rule, the formation turns and starts following the new star. To establish your own rules, you must allow yourself to be yourself. You can do this. The only thing you have to do is to take the privilege. The privileges are given or taken only by you yourself. So, Vadim Zeland's interpretation. Throughout the lives of the people, someone tries to instill in them that they are not perfect, but success, wealth, and fame are just for the chosen ones. Pendulums do not deny the fact that anyone can succeed, but carefully hide the fact that each person has unique abilities and qualities. Individuality is deadly for pendulums. If all supporters became free people and get out of control, pendulums will just fall apart. Stars are born alone, but the pendulums lit them. The role models, the model for success, are created deliberately to turn the aspiration of others to the same direction. In other words, the task of the pendulums is to push everyone in the formation and force them to obey the general rules. You will achieve nothing until it becomes clear to you that you have to learn the common formation. It makes no sense to play somebody else's game where it isn't you setting the rules. Whatever you do, always try to start your own game. That's the secret of success. So for me personally, that has been the secret of my success. I have created my own rules. I do not adhere to other people's rules. Even the businesses that I have started, I really was very, very different than any of the people in those professional sectors. And I kind of just did my own thing. Again, for those of you that know me and for those of you that do not know me, I was not educated, right? I don't have formal training in any of the businesses that I started. And a lot of times people looked at me like I was nuts, right? I would come onto a scene and I would start doing the thing and doing whatever everybody else was doing, but doing it from a place of not being really knowledgeable outright, but I would learn very quickly. And I think part of this willingness to jump out there and defy the pendulums and break away from the formation and do my own thing, people did pick up on that and want to see me succeed. So that is how I have used the pendulums of people to help carry me or pick me up and get me to swing and gain momentum, which has provided me with success. So, 3 questions that I have for you guys today. How can you use pendulums today to pick you up and help you to become a rising star? Pendulums are the ones that help you do this. So remember, pendulums don't punish you for being different. Pendulums want you to be different. And when you are different, you get recognized by pendulums that pick you up and help you to succeed. Second question, what can you do today to start writing your own rules? So even if it's just one, even if you decide to create one new rule for yourself today in which you'll live by, that is your thing and not the thing of somebody else's or the formation, what can you do today to write one new rule for yourself? Third, how do you break from the formation? So we all are a part of a formation. We all have adhered to something, right? Either it's the family formation or our professional realm formation, or we go to university and we're part of the university formation or whatever it is. How can you start to break away from some of the formations that you are a part of today? Now, this does not mean leaving or opting out entirely. Of course, you have those options to do that, but really what I'm asking here is how you can break away from the formation mentally. So you can still be going along with whatever script or whatever program this formation adheres to, but maybe you just become a little more aware of it today and you start thinking in your own direction. So this is you pulling back from the pendulum a little bit and nurturing your individuality that will help to make you a star of your reality. So again, how can you use pendulums today to pick you up and help you to gain some momentum and help you to be a star? How can you start to rewrite some rules for yourself or write one new rule for yourself today? And then how can you break away from the formation that has you strictly adhered to it? So first of all, obviously, you got to ask yourself what formations you're a part of, and then what can you do to break away and start to create some individuality in your life, giving you the possibility of a pendulum picking you up and recognizing you as a star. So I'm curious to hear what you guys' comments are on this. Please like this video if you do in fact like it. Tune in for our next lesson, day 5, which is the world as a mirror. This is going to be an awesome one. So comment away, ask away, like away, and thanks so much for tuning in, guys. Bye.